Did you know?
Did you know that pistachios were very popular since prehistory? Pistachios are known as the smiling nut, the happy nut, or the green almond. Pistachio trees grow in dry climate. The fruit of a pistachio tree is a drupe with a large seed. This is the edible part. The seed inside the beige shell has a pale purple skin and light green flesh. The green and purple color of the pistachio seed is due to antioxidants. Pistachios are a good source of protein, fiber, thiamine, and phosphorus, and they are an excellent source of vitamin B6, copper, and manganese. It is scientifically believed that a daily intake of 1.5 ounces of nuts, such as pistachios, can reduce the risk of heart disease. After harvesting, shelling, and drying, the pistachios are roasted or processed with special machines to produce pistachio kernels. The kernels can be eaten whole, fresh, or roasted and salted. The rich, nutty flavor and texture of pistachios make them perfect for savory chicken or seafood meals. They're also great for use in sweet baked goods and grain-based side dishes. Therefore, they are perfect for cooking and baking. Pistachio ice cream, butter, and all kinds of sweets are in high demand. Compared to other nuts, pistachios are lower in fat and calories but higher in potassium and vitamin K. So next time, if you're craving a snack but don't want to feel guilty, instead of chips, candies, and baked goods, maybe you should consider some nutritious and, of course, delicious pistachios. So, now you know!